I have a library of over 150 videos by now on my YouTube channel, all about making money online and other type of get rich quick type videos and all that stuff. Some I'm proud of, some I'm not. However, the biggest problem that I've heard that people come to me and ask me questions about is, Antonio, how do you create a content strategy so that I can grow my channel and always have something coming up down the line? How do you link the videos together? Blah, 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 blah. I'm going to answer those questions, and then I'm going to show you the shortcut that I did not have when I started. And I'm going to take you from beginning to end of how you can implement this and create video content throughout the whole year. Stay tuned. You're definitely going to watch this one to the end. Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? How are you doing today? I'm excited for this video because this is a little bit out of my sphere. This is something that's newer for me, and I've fully embraced it, and I'm here to show you so that you don't have to spend the time that I spent. Okay, that's the cool thing about technology. That's the cool thing about advancements and people who learn how to do things in a different and better way. It's definitely going to change your life. So here I am, content strategy. This is a very popular topic, one that I've struggled with quite some time. It's really a struggle just for me to sit in front of the camera because I'm more of a routine habits type of person. Once I get in my groove, I'm there. But getting to that point is very difficult. But if you don't have your content strategy, let me tell you something, procrastination is real, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to alleviate that for you. How? Let's go ahead and flip over to my desktop to show you the beginnings of creating your own content strategy. In this video, I'm not going to give you a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet point type of thing. I'm just going to show you how it goes down. So let's see. And of course, I'm going to hop over to the infamous ChatGPT. I really didn't want to create an AI video, but you know what? For this particular topic, it is so helpful, and I'm just going to show you what I've been able to do to help break down the process of creating my content strategy. If it's going to work and make things easier for you and still be authentic and organic, why not? So you go ahead and log in, you create you an account, and right here, right off the bat, you can see I asked some questions. I've asked these questions already so that you can see my results, so I can not waste time. What are some main issues people have with growing a YouTube channel? Why did I ask that question to ChatGPT? Because when it comes to growing your content strategy, I guess you could say this is point number 1. I lied. I told you I was going to do a 1, 2, 3, but listen, you need to create videos on YouTube or any other type of video platform that is based upon video content. You need to make videos based upon people's pain points. Sure, you know, it's cool to watch people make money and all this stuff, but I want to make the money too. And the main reason people go on YouTube is to fix something, to buy something, to do research. It's an intent-based platform. People are coming on YouTube to learn how to do something. Not like Facebook where you're just scrolling to be nosy and look at somebody's catfishing pictures. That's another subject. I'm not gonna get in your business. But no, really, check it out. So if we go back over here to my desktop, you can automatically see some cool results because I've asked for some pain points, some of the main issues people are having with growing a YouTube channel. Hopefully that's why you are watching this video for me, because I am solving an issue. And it came out and it gave me a list of things. Actually, it gave me a really deep list. That's a little bit too big. And if I really wanted to, I could tell ChatGPT, hey, you know what, can you condense this list to 5 or 3? But I'm not gonna do that because I wanted to see what it just gave me. I said, hey, growing a YouTube channel can be both rewarding and challenging, right? And it gave me, you know, competition. I don't really struggle with competition with my videos, but that is a topic. Algorithm changes is a huge one. Content quality is a good one. And so this gave me the idea to make a video about content strategy because I know it is a popular subject. Oh, this is a good one. Viewer retention. Yes, I'm actually working on that myself right now. By the way, speaking of video retention, if you could go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up and the bell icon whenever I upload new videos, you will be notified because I answer your questions. If you have any questions that I'm not answering, please drop them down inside the comments below. Right now, do not wait any longer. Just drop it, pause the video, and type it in the comments, please. And by the way, a lot of this stuff is inside of my YouTube course, YouTube 30-Day Domination, where you learn how to dominate YouTube within 30 days, become an authority, make money online, and create a different lifestyle, all while growing your YouTube channel. Now, the next thing that I thought of, I said, all right, content strategy. So how can you make a content strategy with growing a YouTube channel? This thing is smart. I know I didn't word that the perfect way, but you know, it said, cool. A well thought out strategy can help you attract and retain viewers, blah, blah, blah. And it gave me some pretty cool things about content strategy and defining goals. That's cool, but I'm not gonna make a video on defining goals. Know your audience. All these are typical things, right? But this right here is what most people want to know about. Keyword research when it comes to content strategy. And everybody, engagement strategy is a good one as well. Branding is another one. Collaboration, I like that because that is not spoken of as much. That is a advanced technique that a lot of big YouTubers do in order to grow their channels pretty fast. And this is my favorite actually, analytics and evaluation. I love going inside of my analytics to see what videos are growing, and then I double down on that in order to get more results so much faster. That's the tip right there. Also in my YouTube course, I'm not really going to get into that. It's only $7 a month. The link for that is down below. You want to get on it before I raise the price. Now, what's awesome about what I just showed you, I told you I picked out keywords or keyword research. Now, I didn't go into the nitty gritty with the keyword research, but the next thing I typed, I said, hey, I need a content strategy to make 3 YouTube videos about growing a YouTube channel. Can you give me some good titles? The cool thing about ChatGPT is that you can be as specific as you want. The more specific you are, the better results it's going to purge out. It's going to blurt it out. Yeah. And that's what it did. So it got more specific as my questions got more specific. This wasn't necessarily keyword research, but I just put it in there because I wanted to know, just some popular titles, right? When it comes to creating a YouTube channel and seeing how creative it can get. And sure enough, video title, The Ultimate Guide to Growing Your YouTube Channel. That gives me chills. And then it even gave me content ideas for the video. You got to be kidding me. It gave me a crazy title that's SEO driven, and then it gave me some content ideas to go ahead and create the video. Guys, if you're struggling to make content with creating a content strategy and all that stuff after this, you're insane because ChatGPT just did everything for you. It broke down everything by bullet points, and you don't even have to freaking think. And that's why I love this program in the stage of where it's at right now. So I'm able to come here and just scroll down and go all the way through. And then I'm just going to be silly. I'm going to type something really quick. Hold on one second. I'm just being silly. I don't even know how to word that, but let's see what it says. Oh my God, look at this. It's breaking it down to weeks and days. I asked it, can you put it into the calendar for days in order to create the video? Wow, this thing is silly. I'm loving this right now. This is cool. All right, so it's just taking the titles that it gave me and put it in different days. It's kind of flipped around the wording a little bit, but whatever the case, no, it didn't flip around the wording. It's literally given me steps of how to It's giving me steps how to publish this within 4 weeks. Yo, this is crazy. This thing is fire. Come on. There's no reason that you can tell me that you cannot create YouTube videos after this. This literally took the information that I just gave. It gave me a content strategy and a plan of actually creating, finalizing, editing, and publishing my video by the day of each week. Insane. So hopefully I've displayed the power of what AI, what ChatGPT can do when you integrate it with what you're doing. This can go for anything, any subject, any market, whatever the case. So I'm gonna stop right there. You can get as creative as you want with it on your own time. Please don't forget to check my description for a whole bunch of free stuff. I really want you to grow your YouTube channels as I'm growing mine as well. Go ahead, click that link and get started below. It's only $7 a month. You can quit whenever you want to. I highly recommend that you stay at least for 3 months though. That's when you really get some traction and get the ball rolling. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. And also I'm giving away free weeks of full coaching for my affiliate marketing expertise. So you want to check that link out as well. It's only for this month. I only have 10 spots, no more. All right. Check that out for free weeks of coaching with me. I want to help you hit those high commissions. Stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.